Hey, a really quick update video today about some of the new stuff that you're going to start seeing on this channel, specifically Logic Pro for iPad content. Logic Pro for iPad released a few years ago now, and it's been a massive success for Apple. Saying that, it hasn't been the seismic shift in iOS music making that many people, myself included, thought it would be when it launched. In fact, I launched a whole new channel around Logic Pro for iPad content called the Logic Pro Guide. I'm nothing if not original. Now, to be completely honest, I've found it quite difficult to split my time between this, the GarageBand guide, my main channel, and the Logic Pro Guide. And that channel and its upload schedule has suffered as a result. And as any YouTuber will tell you, the YouTube algorithm doesn't really like it when you leave large gaps between uploaded videos. And it's kind of got to the point where it's maybe one video a month, if you're lucky, over on the Logic Pro Guide. So to make sure I can cover all the big Logic Pro for iPad news, releases, features, tutorials, etc. without big upload gaps causing a problem, I'm bringing all of that stuff over here to the GarageBand guide. So in the future, you're going to see all the usual content that you're used to seeing here: GarageBand for Mac tutorials, GarageBand for iOS tutorials, gear stuff, app stuff, plugin stuff. You'll also start to see some Logic Pro for iPad stuff too. I've invited all of the subscribers from that channel over to this one, and I've made a few tweaks to the channel's icon and homepage to reflect the joining of the two. So yeah, you can expect to see all the stuff you're used to seeing on this channel with some extra Logic Pro for iPad content thrown in as well. Alright, let me know if you have any big massive thoughts about this change down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.